Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off on iPhone. If your Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone is automatically turning off or not working, then today we are here with steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, start by restarting your iPhone. Sometimes simple restart can fix many Wi-Fi or network issues. Once restarted, go to the Settings app on your mobile device and check your internet connection. If not, then restart your router, turn off the router, wait for 10 to 20 seconds and then turn it back on, or simply connect another device to the same Wi-Fi network to see if the issue is with your iPhone or the network. So now, after you do so, simply tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the software update and install the latest update if available. An outdated iOS version may cause connectivity issues. After you do so, simply go back to the settings general again. Then scroll down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone available there. Then tap on the reset and inside there tap on reset network settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.